Wash your hands.
Hello guys, and we're making cake in a mug. So you can use milk or water, cake mix, and frosting. For your supplies, you're gonna need a mug, a tablespoon, and a spoon. I'm opening the cake mix and pouring it into my mug. Oops, got some on the table. I'll have to clean that off later. Do I have any more in here? Nope. Add 3 tablespoons. Mix it together. First, put it in the microwave. Take out your spoon first.
Open microwave and add mug. Close the door.
Put it in the microwave for 1 minute and 10 seconds. Cook time, 1, 0. Restart.
The S.
Start. Hold it in the microwave. Take it out of the microwave, but hold it carefully. That looks like a pancake. Let it cool for 2 minutes. Add the icing. And add how much icing you want to. Do I need to put this in the piping bag?
Add icing to the mug.
Now you can eat it. Can I eat it now?
Put milk back in the fridge. Throw away trash. Wash your dishes.